Get the job done quickly with the TWRTD 3026 unloader. An optimized work cycle with dual clamps helps load and unload heavy materials quickly and accurately, boosting productivity in tough environments. The Carlton 7015 TRX handled the first stump with ease. Equipped with a powerful and precise 500 horsepower operating system, the machine quickly and efficiently removed the stump. Want to learn about driving a truck on forest terrain? This video will give you the closest views of the Scania 6x6 in action. Comment number 1 so you don't miss out. With its 8-wheel drive system and powerful engine, it ensures high performance in logging operations. Oh my God. When you want to be a captain but your profession is a lumberjack and nothing can stop your passion. I know what you're thinking. There's no way those horses could pull that off, but guess what they did? And this video proves that sometimes reality is even harder to believe than what we imagine. With just a few gentle maneuvers, the machine's sharp blade easily devours the large diameter stump. This round timber production workshop specializes in creating high-quality wood products. With modern technology, the workshop processes and crafts timber into perfectly round finished products, serving the construction and furniture industries. Its impressive capacity allows it to shape up to around 200 logs per day. Are you a fan of heavy machinery? Join me in admiring the power of the LKT-81T skidder. Subscribe to the channel so we can discuss it together. The custom John Deere 540 G3 skidder, equipped with a powerful tree pusher, simplifies forest clearing. With the ability to push and move up to 100 large trees effortlessly, this machine boosts efficiency in forestry operations, saving time and effort for the operator. The LogChamp 550 roams through the majestic forests of northern British Columbia, turning logging into a powerful mechanical dance. With its mighty spins, it conquers each massive tree, bringing new energy to the forestry industry in the region. The Ponce Bear is like a forest monster, with its sturdy steel tracks easily conquering any terrain. Its flexible arm, like a giant python, tightly grips and brings down large trees. The automatic debarking system significantly shortens harvesting time, transforming a tree in just 30 minutes. With my homemade 13 horsepower bandsaw and new wood lifting system, I turned a massive log into a challenging but very exciting project. Each time the saw blade cut through the wood, I could feel the power of the machine and the precision of the craftsmanship. The result was beautiful planks, perfectly sized and perfectly flat. Amid the pristine snow-covered forest, the 12-ton Valmet 890.3 stands like a brave warrior. With its roaring engine and long-reach grapple, the machine faces the harsh challenges of winter. Each time it lifts a 5.5-ton log onto the 30-ton trailer, it reaffirms its strength and durability. The Komatsu 890.3 is like a steel warrior traversing the wild forests, conquering the toughest terrains. With impressive strength and agility, it not only moves timber, but also weaves the rhythm of forestry work, where machinery and nature intersect. The perfect combination of Nusan and Laco 52 creates a modern and sustainable logging solution. The smart collection system minimizes environmental impact while boosting work efficiency. The sight of large trees falling gently and precisely under the machine's saw blade proves this.